are going to love the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, compass, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.